Meditation is very popular now, but meditation as it's taught in the West is only looking at a very thin slice of what the original idea of meditation was about. So what we're attempting to do is to say that we now know that meditation is good for mental and physical health. What else is it good for? And for there, we look at the historical knowledge, which says that actually, yes, it probably has health and other benefits, but it's actually intended for much more than that. One of the things that we found out as a result of doing a survey, and also just talking to people about their experiences, is that many people will encounter anomalies that, especially as considered in the West, that are things like synchronicities and telepathy and clairvoyance and enlightenment, and all of these words that, from a Western scientific perspective, have been pretty much dismissed as superstition. So what we're interested then in doing the research is to find out, first of all, do people have these experiences? And the answer is yes. And the second is, well, what are they? Are the experiences what they seem to be, or are they in fact illusions? And so to look at that question more deeply, we need to turn to fields which have not been within mainstream science, like parapsychology, and we find that some of these effects are true in principle, and it looks like meditation can stimulate their experiences in people. Some people might ask, why do you need to study meditation, especially advanced forms of meditation? And that same question could be applied to virtually anything. Why do we need to study anything? And the answer is that the personal experience is important and useful, but what's actually happening? That's what science is about, to figure out when you have a subjective experience, especially if it's one that's dramatic in some way, well, what happened? Maybe it was an illusion, maybe not. So it's the maybe not part which becomes really interesting, because it suggests that if some of these extraordinary experiences that people have during meditation turn out to be objectively true, then it challenges the prevailing paradigms in science, and that becomes extremely important to know.